guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I just got myself a basket, and today I'm only allowed to buy the color pink, so keep that in mind. And I actually see a bunch of pink stuff in the makeup section, so of course we are going to look at this section first. And keep in mind, I'm also going to get things for the giveaway, so if you guys want to enter, definitely check out the box down below. But let me go and show you guys the really cute pink things. So of course I have to look at the lipsticks first, and they have pink eyes still, which is seriously exciting. So I actually have a bunch of these at the house, so this one is going to you guys. Seriously pretty. But if you guys like these lipsticks too, definitely let me know. And the hydrating ones are seriously amazing, but this one doesn't show up. But I can't believe I just found a lip scrub, you guys, so this one is going to you as well. And they also have more hydrating lipsticks, but they don't have pink ones, which is so unfortunate. But this instant nail glue is actually really good, you guys, so going to you. And I can't believe they still have the fruit punch lip gloss, so of course I need it. But do you guys like this glue too? Definitely let me know. And if you're lucky, sometimes you can find the kiss glue, so definitely stock up if you see that brand. And look what else I just found, you guys. So a hydrating facial toner, and it's pink too, which makes it even better, you know. But if you guys see it, definitely pick it up. It smells so good and it works. So yes, you guys, I'm so happy that I found this again. And honestly, I'm blown away. They still have this lip stain here. So this one is Boss. It's a bright pink color, and I really enjoy their lip stains. Honestly, it reminds me of the high-end brand, so keep that in mind. So this one is actually going to you guys because I have a bunch of these at the house. Obviously I stocked up, but I'm hoping to find my favorite eyelashes, which is Ayani. So let's cross our fingers. But we are still looking at the lipstick, and I can't believe I just found one of my favorites. So it's the LA Colors Paradise Pink Lip Gloss. Seriously gorgeous, and it feels amazing on the lips, so this one is going to you as well. Look what else I just found, you guys. So the LA Colors mascara. So my favorite one is right here. So it's classic black, and it really lifts my lashes. But since we are doing the pink challenge, of course I have to get this one. So one for me and one for you. Super cute. But which one is your favorite? I have to know. And these eyeshadows are really good as well. So it has pink on it, so I might as well get it. And it's purple, so keep that in mind. And I can't believe I just found the loose eyeshadows again. So my favorite is called Lollipop. So it's a beautiful shade of pink. And you can also use these as highlighters, so keep that in mind. And if you want to use it as a highlighter, definitely pick up Snow White. You will love it so much. But let me go and show you guys a closer look because super pretty. And there's only one of these left, so going to you. Honestly, I have a bunch of these at the house as well. But here's a closer look of Snow White, you guys. So once again, really nice as a highlighter. But do you guys like these too? Definitely let me know. And I can't believe I just found more glue, you guys. So I have no idea if this one is good, but you actually get 2 for $1, so I might as well try it out. And these facial wipes are seriously my favorite. So watermelon, and it just matches the facial toner, so keep that in mind. Finally found something new, which is obviously very exciting. So this one says Girl Boss in pink and maroon. Super cute. And since there's pink on it, I might as well get it, you know, because it does count. And I see some more new ones behind it, so of course I have to show you. Very exciting find so far. So here's a closer look of the compact mirror, you guys. So once again, it just says Girl Boss. I have to get one for me and one for you. So cute. And you guys are going to love the next compact mirror, so I can't get it, which is so unfortunate because honestly I love it. But obviously I can bring this one home with me because there's pink on it. Super adorable. So once again, one for me and one for you. And honestly, I like this one way more than Girl Boss, but which one is your favorite? Just let me know. And I'm very happy that I just found a pink eyelash curler. So this one is honestly really good for $1, and it reminds me of like the $5 eyelash curlers that you can find at Ross or TJ Maxx, so keep that in mind. But this one is going to you because I have a bunch of these as well. Honestly, I own every single color because I love shopping here. Oh my goodness, you guys, I just found some more nail glue over here, and they just got in the mini tweezers, which are so adorable. But look at these nail brushes. So you get 2 for $1. That means only 50 cents each, so really good deal. Of course I need to bring this one home with me. And look at these pink nails, so cute. But honestly, I don't care for dollar store nails. And here's another pedicure set, you guys. Super pretty. Yes, I need to bring it home with me, so you get 5 things for $1. Another great deal, guys. This brand is seriously amazing, so I might as well get it because the packaging is pink. And I'm pretty sure these are usually $2 at Walmart, but I guess I could be wrong, but super pretty. And I love finding the pedicure flip-flops here, so I recently bought one, and I actually got the pink one, but I'm going to get it again. And keep in mind, you actually get 2 for $1. I seriously love everything in my basket so far. So you guys know I have to look at the nail polishes because they actually have new pink ones, which is obviously very exciting. So they have the brand iGlow, Kiss, and Kiss is actually one of my favorites. And LA Colors is actually pretty good as well, but let me go and show you guys the new ones. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this pink one. Super pretty. Like, of course I need to bring it home with me. I'm just hoping that I don't have this yet because you know I always buy the new ones. And look at this one, you guys. So one of my favorites. It's called Tickle Pink, so it's a light pink color, which is so gorgeous, you know. And this nail hardener actually works, you guys, so if you see it, definitely pick it up for $1. And it's from the brand Diamond, so keep that in mind. And the packaging is pink, so it's meant to be. And this one is also pink, you guys, so Mega Grow Nail Treatment. I might as well give it a go. But super cute. And I love bright pink nail polishes too, you guys. This one is so pretty for the summer. And they also have the Mega Grow down here as well. But I'm going to get one for me and one for you. Seriously gorgeous, you know. So this one is also very bright, you guys. I love it so much. And I think there's some glitter in there as well. So of course I need to get 2 of these. I can't believe they have more of them up here, you guys. Super pretty. But which one is your favorite? I have to know. Everything in my basket is seriously so adorable, but it's finally time to move on to the hair accessories, and unfortunately they still don't have new ones, which is honestly crazy to me. So everything that I get over here is going into the giveaway, so please keep that in mind. And they still have dry shampoo, the volumizing spray, but it's not pink, so I have to pass on it. But let's go ahead and look at the pink hair accessories. So I have this mirror at the house, you guys. It's a hot pink color, which is so adorable, but keep in mind it's actually pretty small, so this one is going to you. I'm pretty sure one of you guys will love it. Oh my gosh, you guys, I can't believe they still have the velvet headbands here. These are seriously so soft, so I might as well get 2 of these. And the scrunchies are adorable, so pink and gray, and look at the packaging, so adorable. And look at these clips, you guys, but unfortunately one of them is missing, and I might as well get this light pink one up here. I mean, they barely have anything, you guys, so disappointing. Actually, I'm very happy right now because they just got in these really big fluffy scrunchies, and I actually bought every single color like 4 months ago, so it's been forever since I've seen these. So they actually have a light brown color, which is gorgeous, and of course pink. So this one is going to you because I actually have 5 of these at the house, you know, and I always end up losing my scrunchies too, so keep that in mind. But this one is so cute. If you guys see it, please stock up. It's amazing for $1, and every time I go somewhere else, something similar is like $5 for one. And they always have pink brushes over here, you guys. So this one is actually a shower comb, and I think it works pretty well, so this one is going to you. I just love the neon pink color, so gorgeous. And look what else I just found, you guys. Another pink brush, so it has flowers on it, super adorable, and it's actually a light pink color, so yes, this one is going to you. I love looking at the socks because they always have the cutest ones at this location, and at the other location it's seriously a Hot Mess Express, you guys probably remember. But look how fully stocked they are, it's amazing. So the girls like own every single pair, I'm not even kidding, and the quality is actually pretty good, so keep that in mind. But honestly, I'm just trying to look for some new ones, so we will see what I end up finding. So I actually found a new sock, which is so adorable. So these are actually no-show socks, and honestly it's my favorite. So this one is a panda, super cute, and the other one just looks like this, so stripes. I might as well pick it up, you know, 50 cents each, really good deal. Finally, time to move on to the candle section and of course the decor section, because I always find really cute pieces here for only $1, you know. But let's go ahead and look at the incense first because these look really good. So the pink one is actually rosy, guys, and I can smell it from here, so it should be amazing. And you get 40 of them for only $1, so once again, really good deal. And the other one is jasmine. Let me know which one you guys like the most. But it's finally time to move on to the decor section, you guys, and I don't see new pink ones, which is so unfortunate, but I went over this in my previous video, so definitely check it out. And these cloud mirrors are seriously adorable, but I love the dream sign, you guys. I actually picked it up, and this decor piece honestly looks like my tattoo on my arm, super pretty. I just wish the frame was a different color. And this one is also new, you guys, so cute, but unfortunately there's no pink on it. Monday should be optional, that is so true. They have more of the dream over here. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this one, so pink and gold, seriously to die for. And the flowers are really pretty too. Very simple piece for $1, you know, but I know it's not going to match our house. Look at this section, you guys, but I really need to start because they actually have a bunch of stickers. Like this one, you get 36 of them for only $1, so really good deal. And you guys are going to love this. They also have the brand Lisa Frank, which is obviously crazy, and you get 600 stickers. Like that is insane, you guys. So let me go and show you guys Lisa Frank first, and then I'll show you guys the rest of the pink stickers. So I can't believe you get over 600 stickers, and the packaging of course is so gorgeous, but you get so many. Like wow, you guys, of course I need to bring it home with me. My daughter is going to love it so much, and honestly the best find today, I feel like. And look at the rest of the stickers, you guys. So this one says party time. There's cupcakes. I also love the summer stickers as well. Look at this one, you guys, with the owl. They even have Frozen, which is honestly crazy to me. And there's trolls down here. Like there's a little bit of everything. And my daughter loves Disney, so these are 3D stickers. Yes, I need to get this for her. So adorable. What else I just found, you guys? So sequins. So you get 6 bags full of them. So this one you get pink and different shades of gold, which I love. And of course they have a set full of pink ones. So of course this one is coming home with me. I'm not sure what I'm going to use these for yet. So here's a closer look of the sequins, you guys. So you get light pink, dark pink. There's also red as well. And I love the purple too, super cute. Oh Oh my gosh, you guys, they have more stickers over here. Seriously crazy. And of course they have the craft tape too. But look at these stickers. It just says love, kiss me, a big heart. So I actually just found Beauty Benefits, you guys, and this brand is actually pretty good, especially their matte liquid lipsticks. All you have to do is moisturize beforehand because the formula is a little bit drying, but still for $1 you can't beat it. And it looks like everyone is buying it out too, and probably just adding it to stockings or Christmas gifts, you know. But let me go show you guys a closer look because it's super cute. So this one is classic red, you guys. It's so beautiful. So this one is going to you, and it claims to have a long-lasting matte finish, which is so true. Honestly, it's really hard to take off with a wipe. And here's the other one, you guys. So it's called Pretty Pink. This one is honestly one of my favorites because you can wear this one every single day, but the red one is so pretty during this time of year. And of course the packaging is pink, so all of this is going to you. But if you guys have dry lips, definitely pick this one up. So it's a cream lipstick. It claims to have a creamy, smooth application, which is very true as well. But I personally love the matte lipsticks more, you know. So this one is called Bright Blossom. It's a beautiful shade of pink. So this one is going to you as well. I own every single one, you guys. I'm not even kidding. And look at this one, so beautiful. So it's called Cool Mauve. Once again, going to you. This one is honestly one of my favorites as well. And look what else I just found, you guys. So the blush, this one has pink packaging, really pretty, but I really want to get the pink eyeshadow, so it's called Pink Fire. So one for me and one for you. And honestly, I feel like these eyeshadows are new, but I could be wrong. I seriously love doing the pink challenge at the dollar store because they always have new pink things, you know. But the best find today was definitely the compact mirrors, so I think I'm going to put Girl Boss in my purse. We will see what I end up doing, but I would love to know what you guys are going to buy in the comment section down below. But that is actually going to be it for this one, so I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like always, please give it a big thumbs up for me. And if you are new, don't forget this channel is all about shopping, so I'd love for you to stick around, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And I'll see you guys in my next one.